Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you about one of the best iPhone X camera settings after which you can capture very beautiful and amazing pictures. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is open settings in your iPhone and then scroll down all the way and open camera app. After opening this, go to the format section and here select high efficiency if it is selected as most compatible, because high efficiency is suitable for normal users and most compatible is suitable for those users which use Photoshop and transfer their pictures to the laptops or PC, etc. After this, you have to go to the record video section and here select 4K 60 fps if you want to record high quality videos. But if you want to record a smooth and a good quality videos, then select HD at 60 fps. It also covers less storage than 4K 60 fps and it is better as well. While recording video or taking picture in iPhone, if you face flickering, then turn on this show PAL formats, and after this select 1080p 20 fps or 4K 60 fps 20 fps. After that your video will not flicker. Also turn on this video format option if it is off, and also turn lost camera option if it is off. After this, go back and open preserve settings and turn on all these three options on: camera mode, filter and lighting, and live photo. If you want a grid lines in your iPhone camera, then turn on this grid option, but if you don't like these lines in the camera, then turn off grid option. While taking pictures and selfies in mirrors, iPhone reverts the photo, but after turning this mirror front photos option, your photos will not be reverted, so turn on this option as well. After doing all the settings in your iPhone X camera, your iPhone X will capture amazing and brilliant pictures like this. This setting in iPhone X will make your phone way better than before, so must do this camera settings in your iPhone X if you are an iPhone X user. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.